This video is regarding the details of class 9 syllabus of science for the session 2020-21. This is the shorted syllabus, the chapters which are included in chemistry, that is from the unit 1st, matter, nature and behavior. Nature of matter, elements, compounds and mixtures. Mixtures are further classified as heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Then particle nature, basic units, atoms and molecules, law of constant proportions, atomic and molecular masses. Then structure of atoms, electrons, protons and neutrons, valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. We are talking in this syllabus the chapters regarding chemistry. You can note down these topics because these are only we are going to study this session. Next, for biology, for the theme the world of the living, unit 2nd, organization in the living world. Cell, that is the basic unit of life. We have to go through the topics cell as a basic unit of life, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, we have already studied about them, multicellular organisms, cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelles and cell inclusions like chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, basic structure and number. Means basic structure, these all are cell organelles about which we have to study. Chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, these all are cell organelles and we know cell organelles are the specialized components, correct? Then the next topics are tissues, organs, organ system and organism. We will read about structure and functions of animal and plant tissues. Only 4 types of tissues in animals and in plants, and meristematic and permanent tissues are found in plants. Then regarding health and diseases, health and its failure, infectious and non-infectious diseases, their causes and manifestation, diseases caused by microbes, principles of treatment and prevention, pulse polio programs or over any other study program also we can go. Syllabus for the physics is this, moving things, people and ideas. That is the unit 3rd, in which the topics are motion, force and work. Motion, we will go through distance and displacement, velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion along a straight line, acceleration, distance time and velocity time graphs for uniform motion and uniform accelerated motion. Derivation of equation of motions by graphical method. Elementary idea of uniform circular motion. The next chapter is, this is chapter 8 in NCERT book, the chapter motion, and this is chapter 9, force and motion, Newton's law of motion, and these are the various topics like inertia, mass, momentum, force, acceleration. These all are in this chapter and some are reduced also. So you keep a copy of this because these are the only topics in the chapter which we have to go through. Next is gravitation. Gravitation, universal law of gravitation, force of gravitation of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight, free fall. These are very easy topics in physics and you will understand it very easily. If we go through them and you just pay your little concentration, the topics are easy to go through in physics also. And our last chapter is work, energy and power. Work done by a force, energy, power, kinetic and potential energy, law of conservation of energy. So these are all related to your previous classes only, the topics what are all there. Just there is a little bit detail study. So if you study it properly, then you can get it easily. I guess the syllabus is not much and you can do it. The chapter environment, it is only for the internal assessment and the topics are on physical resources like air, water, soil. Air for respiration, that is the release of energy, combustion for burning, for moderating temperatures, changing temperatures, movements of air and its role in bringing rains across India. Air, water and soil pollution, holes in the ozone layer and probable damages. So this is only for your internal assessment. the chapter our environment. So these are the 4 units in which the topics and the chapters are divided, and we have to go through these all chapters only, and the topics, the chapters which I mentioned here. This is the syllabus for this session. Thank you.